Welcome back to the channel, guys. Mike here for another mod on our 11th gen Civic, and we just got in some stock of the brand new PRL rear wiper delete, which I've been so excited to get rid of on this car. This big wiper that just sits up here, no wing on here. So I'm just going to do a quick install video to show you guys how to do it. I think PRL already have one online. Some of the interior is gone, so there will be some added things that you have to do. But I'll just give you the quick little video on how to do it. All right, so you're just gonna push up on that. That'll expose what looks like a 10 mil. We need to take that off, and then we go inside. All right, so you just lightly lift it off. There is a little bit of pressure on it, so you just kind of have to guide it up with your hands, release a little bit of the tension from the wiper, and it just lifts right off. So let's get inside. All right, guys, so I've got the whole back plastic off. So you're gonna have to unclip this one right here, and then you've got the 10 mils in there to take the actual motor off. All right, so you're just gonna kind of push up with a little bit of a screwdriver. Just watch the glass, you don't wanna crack it. And then we'll go ahead and clean off the surface area. There's no silicone that's actually added with the PRL, unlike some of the other brands that are out there that are a little cheesy, to be honest. They actually put a O-ring in there, so it completely seals for a weatherproof installation. All right, so I took the two pieces apart. They just unscrew from each other. This part's gonna go on top. Just line up your, you can see there's one little gasket there, the other one goes in here. This is gonna go from the underside, and you just screw it together. All right, guys, so this piece right here, you're just gonna spin it all the way around till it's super tight. Don't overdo it, just by hand. And there you go. Nice clean look, no bulky wiper. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. Go on our website, you can order these. I have a couple left. Not sure when the next batch is coming in from PRL. But any parts you guys need for any of your newer Hondas, go on the website. I'll put the link below. We got free shipping. And yeah, thanks for tuning in.